Yo, it's Midas. Let's talk about the 10x penny stocks that are set to explode in 2025. These are my top picks. So, disclaimer, this video is only for educational purposes. Make sure to do your own research. So, what is a penny stock? Well, it's less than $5 per share. It's high risk, high reward, so highly volatile. You could end up with 500% plus returns in one day. Then in a week, it could dip down 200%. There's low liquidity and regulation. So a lot less awareness of these stocks and thus increases the risk of fraud and price manipulation. And if a company ends up getting a lot of valuation from more people getting awareness of these companies and buying into their stock, they could also lead into possible share dilution, where they'll issue more shares in order to raise more capital for other investments. So for how to play penny stocks, I made a video yesterday about how to find those penny stocks. But once you find a good penny stock, hold, wait for the degens on Wall Street bets to pick up on it, set price targets, and then continue repeating the pattern. Never try to hold on to penny stocks because sometimes they will, pump and go up in a very short period of time. But that could also lead it to go down in a very fast period of time as well. Unless you really believe in that penny stock and are willing to hold it through any downturns or entering a bear market, it's probably better to just swing trade with it, find a cheap penny stock, wait for it to get awareness, and then sell it off and keep repeating this pattern. So this is the penny stock strategy using Wall Street bets. I followed this strategy with BBAI, XBot, Rigetti, D-Wave, KULR. So the Wall Street bets rule is that you can't post any DDs of stocks with a market cap of 500 million or lower. In order to override this rule, if the penny stock you pick has a high subreddit following, then people are more likely to talk about it on daily discussions on Wall Street bets. So check the daily discussions, see if anyone's talking about it. If they are, then eventually hype will get picked up and the company will get a dedicated DD once it reaches that threshold of a 500 million or more market cap, which is what happened with the Big Bear AI. It was sort of hidden behind the scenes. Then once people picked up on it, people started buying in, and that's why it pumped up to $10. So now onto my list of top penny stocks. First of all, we have Big Bear AI. Why invest? I made a video on every one of these stocks that's in this list of top penny stocks. So check it out on my YouTube channel. So why invest? First of all, I believe it's going to be the next Palantir. They have the same type of technology and already a partnership with Palantir. My price, it's going to be $3 USD, and target price will be, or my price target for end of year 2025 is 10 plus. This could go a lot higher if they land more government contracts, but I see the market rebounding to the previous all-time highs, especially with Trump calling these tariff threats. Once these tariff threats get removed and if the FOMC is likely to cut rates, then we can see these stocks soar a lot higher. So Hive, I truly believe it's the most undervalued Bitcoin miner. It's also a Bitcoin play and an AI play where they have NVIDIA H100s to process data for AI companies. So I think it's pretty bullish in two sectors of crypto and AI. It currently sits at a price of $1.65 with the target price of 5 plus. Robotics, it's more or less selling sex bots. And I think robotics is going to be an industry that is going to increase in the future. Maybe not now, but I think it has potential. I think there is going to be a hyper growth of any sort of robotic stocks are just going to pump up in value. And I think XBot is just hidden. You can watch my video on it, but the founder of Hut 8 also created this company. And they also have a lot of crypto holdings with Ethereum and Solana. So it's a bit of a play of crypto as well as robotics. Currently sits at a price of 36 cents with a target price of $1. Sol Strategies is a microstrategy of Solana. So MicroStrategy, they hold Bitcoin in order to use it as a hedge. And if Bitcoin is tied to Bitcoin, so if Bitcoin goes up, that means MicroStrategy will also go up. Sol Strategies is the exact same thing, except they buy a lot of Solana, which is an altcoin in the crypto world. And if Solana goes up, then the company will also go up as well. The price is 224, with my target price being 10 plus. So KULR, the Bitcoin and space play, my price or the price right now starts around $1.66. My target price is $5 plus. Fold Holdings. So the first Bitcoin only financial service. I believe that once the Bitcoin and crypto meta gets picked up again, whether it's Trump saying bullish news about the crypto world or just we entering the bull run when the FOMC cut rates, this stock will explode because it is the only first Bitcoin only financial service. The price sits at $6.75 USD. My target price is 10 plus. So ARBE, the reason why I want to or I'm planning to invest in this is because part of the robotics is going to be something that's very key for us in the future. And they target a lot of self-driving cars. They're also the cheapest company partnering with NVIDIA. So they got beat up this year where they tried to share dilute once they got this partnership with NVIDIA, but I believe it will rebound. Like for a company that's has a market cap of 128 million and already partnering with NVIDIA, that's pretty bullish. But yeah, the price is $1.40. My target price is $3 plus. That's all I have for today. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.